Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account level, VIP rank, and current unit balance so you know what unlocks and offers apply to you. Next, open Store, Events, Alliance, and Quest screens to locate unit sources. This gives a concise map of immediate opportunities. Once done, reserve crystals and gold rather than spending impulsively, because a timed offer or milestone can yield more units. Make sure to note daily login timers and event end dates. That timing drives prioritization. You now focus on consistent, repeatable sources that compound. Daily quests, arena rewards, and milestone events often provide steady unit gains. Prioritize featured offers, season pass paths, and alliance milestones because they give bulk units for predictable effort. Invest crystals strategically into the highest return options. Once done, run repeatable modes: Arena, Timeline, Blitz, and target specific node rotations that drop units. Make sure to plan your play sessions around event reset times. Efficiency increases when you align farming with resets. You finish by redeeming accumulated rewards and purchases immediately to avoid mailbox overflow and accidental expirations. Collect milestone payouts and season pass tiers as they unlock. Then use saved crystals on clearly identified high-value bundles or timed discounts rather than random pulls, because targeted buys maximize units per currency. If units are missing, first check your in-game mail and purchase receipts, then review recent transactions. If unresolved, submit a concise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.